In the next 1 minute, I'm going to show you how to download apps to a new LG TV. First, ensure it's connected to the internet. And what you need to do is just navigate to the settings menu where we have Wi-Fi icon right over here. Ensure you're connected to the internet. And like for my scenario, you can see I'm already connected. Now get back to this first box you see there written apps. Open it up. Now once it's open, you can see you have a ton of applications here to choose from. You have Premium Entertainment, DSTV, you have FCTV, any other application that you want to download, you can get it from over here. And there's a description, there's a section for entertainment, games, news, info. But one thing you have to remember that some of the applications that you see here by default that are available for download depend on the location that you've set your TV. So if you don't see some applications here that are available in your location, then navigate the settings once again. Now main settings. Then at the settings, come to where we have general. Then under general, come to where we have system right over here. For system here, you can see we have the location setting right over here. Now it's from the location setting that you can change your country, and you can, for my case, I'm in East Africa now, and the country is Kenya. So you can come here and change it to your preferred location, Western Africa, Southern Africa. It all depends, Middle East. So the location that you've set your TV will determine the application that you'll be able to see available on the LG App Store. That is it, guys. Leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you find that video helpful. See you next time on another one.